Hey guys, it's Hailey, Sani, and today I'm going to be filming this very supernatural, glowy, dewy, glossy makeup look because literally the number one question I get, usually on my Instagram pictures, even in my videos, is how do you get that glow? It looks supernatural, are you wearing makeup, blah blah blah. Usually I'm wearing makeup, sometimes I'm not, but it really just goes down to all the specific products and formulas that you incorporate into your makeup routine that really help you achieve that perfect natural glowy dewy look. So if I were to wear makeup, this would basically be it, and I'm gonna be teaching you guys how I get that glow because it's all you guys ask me and I'm here to answer your question finally. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. I post videos all the time. I'm here in college. This is actually the first time I'm filming a sitting down college video, if you like, so follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see all my selfies with my glowy makeup look, and let's get started. So we're going to be starting off with serum to moisturize our face because when I'm going for a dewy look, I definitely don't want to have dry skin. If you have dry skin as the base under all your makeup, it might crack. It basically will look dry. Dewy basically means a little wet, and serums do a good job at that just because they're a little thicker, and since they are kind of oil based, it'll help you glow. This is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Serum. You guys know I love fresh products because they just feel super light on your skin, and also the smells really, really good. And even though it's a serum, it doesn't feel heavy on your face. Next up, I'm going in with an all-over face primer because I've noticed that when you use products with a dewy formula, it's easier for them to kind of sweat off your face, and we don't want to do that. So this is the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. Just gonna be putting this on. Now, to keep your face looking super bright and light, obviously I'm going to be covering up my dark circles. So I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Forehead a little. And this is the only type of coverage that I'm going to be using because I really dislike foundation and it's just not a move for me. So I'm going in with a damp beauty blender to just blend this all out. So my personal favorite product at the moment, which I'm literally obsessed with, I don't know why I didn't discover this earlier, it's the Marc Jacobs Dewy Drops. It's literally heaven, unicorns, and just sunshine in a little bottle. It's just very intense. And I'm going in with my beauty blender, picking it up and putting it where highlighter would be. I feel like fingers don't do that good of a job when you're blending this. Bring it down to other parts of your face. This is kind of like a base for your highlighter, powder highlighter. I especially like putting it on my nose and just buff it all out. Now we have quite a bit of makeup on, and usually this would kind of be where I would set everything with a setting powder, but when you do that, it mattifies your whole look. So instead of setting my face makeup with a setting powder, I'm going to be using a setting spray since obviously this is water formula. It's going to keep everything wet. That's what she said. Okay. So for bronzer, usually I use either Too Faced Chocolate Soleil or Benefit Hoola, but those are both matte. So instead, I'm gonna be going in with my Anastasia Glow Kit. Do you already see the highlight? And we haven't even put highlighter on our face yet. We're getting there, guys. So I'm getting the glowy bronzer. Kind of have to draw a 3, so it goes into your jawline, your cheekbone, and then your temples. Same thing right here, and then a little under your nose maybe, and then under your lip. Now what I like to do is obviously blush. I used to never be a blush fan, but then I discovered this one, and ever since, I think it looks so cute. You look like a little happy little girl. So this is the Urban Decay Lo-Fi. I think this is actually a lip mousse, so it's supposed to be for your lips. It's in the shade Halo. It looks like this really bright pink. Even though it's a lip mousse, I like to get my blush brush, kind of whip it around in that, and just apply it to my cheeks, and it kind of acts as a cream blush, and cream blush is not mattifying. It looks more youthful. You can smile so you can see where exactly you can apply it to. Eyebrows, which I also think are an important factor when you're getting a glowy dewy look. So I just comb them out to start with, and usually I like comb them upwards. They're kind of just like sticking up, like each piece of hair is sticking up. It looks less put together, so it just looks more natural. And then I like them to be a little bit darker because, I don't know, I feel like that was a trend back in the day, like big bold eyebrows. This is the Benefit 3D Brow Tones, a tinted eyebrow gel. Brows. I used to be a fiend for Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara, and this mascara kind of looks just like it, but it's drugstore. It's by L'Oreal. It's called Lash Paradise. I usually never really fuck with drugstore mascara. Sometimes I feel like it's clumpy. This has been life-changing, and it's such a cheaper option. So if you're looking for like a bomb-ass mascara, and the way I like my eyelashes is like not clumpy, I'd rather have them like be separated and super long. This does the job very well. You guys will see in a minute. But obviously, curl them first. And I think another trick to getting like Bambi eyes, where it kind of looks like cat eyes and like super almond shaped, is applying a little bit more on the edges right here, so it kind of like shapes your eyebrows and makes it look like it's a wing. Now what I feel like brightens up your eyes the most is having some kind of highlighter in the inner corners. It really makes them just pop. This is just like a champagne colored loose powder from the Balm. So I pick it up on like a tiny angled brush. The difference. Now what I shall do is, this is a highlighter stick from the brand Model's Own, and I use this as a highlighter primer, even though we like applied the dewy drops. That was like a long time ago. So just pat this on. This has like little sparkles in it, so that helps with the, I guess, shine. So for highlighter, this is my all-time favorite. I've already hit pan on both of the shades that I like, so I'm gonna have to do something about that. But I like to kind of mix Summer and Moonstone. This one's like a golden highlight and this one's a pink one, but I like the mixture of both. And if your highlighting brush is smaller, you can get a more defined highlight. So there we go. Nasty. You don't want that under your lip gloss. This whole look is super glossy and dewy, so it would only be fitting if we used that kind of lippy. So this is the Dior Lip Maximizer, so it's kind of plumping too, which is my favorite kind, obviously. Natural gloss. Cute. So this is kind of the finished look. If a sun ray hits your face, you should literally warn people around you. They will literally go blind. I think the products you use and their formulas are definitely like the main factor in how your look ends up turning out. I'm going to be listing all the products I use in the down bar if you want to check anything out and, you know, experiment with it yourself. And don't forget, the true glow only comes out when you're super like happy, positive. So just smile, and I'm sure it's gonna be much more effective than any highlighter. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time. I love you guys so much, all the way to Pluto and back. Bye.